Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be testing out the Ryobi Cordless 1 gallon wet dry vac. The vacuum doesn't come with the battery, so hopefully you have your own. If not, I would suggest going with one of the higher numbers. Larger number, the longer it's going to last. What's neat about the batteries is they have a gauge here. Vacuum includes one attachment tool. We have a 6 amp hour battery attached to our wet dry vac. Let's go ahead and start. Very handy to have when you're working in small areas. Great feature about this is it has a washable, reusable filter. And it's just a twist off. I also made my own custom Ryobi link storage. Be sure to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when a new video drops. And be sure to visit my channel and check out all my videos.